Challenge tayo. Pag nasagot mo siya, 110. Pag hindi nasagot, 120. O sige.
Hindi siya nakakatulog. Kagabi pa.
Grabe, mahirap yung mga tanong ko. What's up guys? Another watch, another day pare. Kamusta? How are you? How's everything? Please have a seat. So you're here for a bat. You're nakausap mo rin si boss manager eh. Si Omar.
Omar, yeah. Tanong kung meron kayo nung Sky Dweller na blue dial. Layata kayo.
Pero kami noon, mga pre-orders namin yon. Since wala yung Sky Dweller, gusto mo Batgirl na.
Batgirl or Bruce Wayne. However, Bruce Wayne was reserved daw yesterday.
Yes, mabilis kasi talaga boss eh. Anyway, no problem. Meron naman tayong Batgirl. This is a 2021 Batgirl. Reference is 126710.
Okay.
So this is a 40mm on a Jubilee bracelet. Yung Batman kasi on a Oyster bracelet, di ba? This is complete, comes with papers, everything. This is still under warranty up to 2026 kay Rolex. And also sa amin, meron kaming 1-year warranty. Inclusive of all servicing.
So, naman yung links niya, no?
Kulang siya ng isa pa. We are selling this for 1,028,000. Actually, tumaas ng konti na ngayon si Batgirl compare dati. Kasi dati, yung mga 2021, nasa around 960 lang siya, 970. This one kasi is NFC card na siya. So it's not the old card.
Do you accept credit card?
We do accept credit card. However, wala tayong discount. Yes. So, na-try mo na ba, sir?
Hindi pa. Pwede bang?
Try mo.
Grabe mo ba yan? Yun.
What do you think of it?
I love it, of course.
Yes!
Question is how much?
128,000. Gawin natin 120.
Excuse me, lower pa?
Tag-iisa na lang na Batgirl namin.
Oo nga eh.
Ano? Okay na yun!
1.10?
110. Ganito, boss. Challenge tayo. Pag nasagot mo siya, 110.
Okay.
Pag hindi nasagot, 120.
O sige.
1,020,000 or 1,010,000.
Kahit ano,
I'll give you
mata.
2 chances para makuha yung 10K na discount na yan. Game?
Okay, sige.
Okay, sige. First, kung masabi mo sa akin kung ano yung size nito.
40.
Final answer?
Yeah, 40mm.
Galing mo, boss. Sige. 110, dante lang. Wala, tama yung sagot niya. Wala tayong magagawa. Alam niya yung size, tsaka yung re-reserve.
Hindi siya nakakatulog. Kagabi pa.
Dapat pala, mas mahirap yung mga tanong ko. Yun! Thank you so much, Don Deal. Maraming salamat. I'll just have them prepare everything. Isang large nga na hoodie, pare. Here, sir. Do you mind if you can try it? Sure. Ito yung 1,000,000. Yung relo mo, libre lang yun. Sir.
Thank you very much.
Again. Maraming salamat. Yeah. Grabe. Don Deal.